We are finally almost over completing the backyard for our pre-wedding celebration, and I am so ecstatic. But here's where we are. So we still have this side of the house to get done. You see, this is my granite that's being held from my retaining wall that needs to be rebuilt down here. But my brick mason is awesome, and so he just put it back and threw some hay over it, and laid out the plan for his next project, and kind of cleaned it up. So we have candles, because I love candles, but those are actually battery operated candles. However, they're amazing. You won't know that they aren't a real candle until you come up close to them, because they do this flickering thing. I don't know if you can see it, but it does this flickering thing. And yeah, Frank, my neighbor, Mr. Benjamin, my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law, my sister in love now, because she's my former in-law, but Gretchen Schofield, her husband Michael Schofield of Greater Images, he is here and doing a lot of the work in this renovation. As you know, Frank did my amazing pond. And yeah, everything is still a work in progress, but now I can see, where it is going. I can see where, over time, as we plant more items and what we have planted mature, what it will be to have a little nice backyard oasis. So this right here is my lavender fields, because once my lavender grows up, it'll be a nice bushel, and I'll be able to have tea in lavender fields. But tomorrow DJ will be here. This is our DJ platform and stage. The bartender will be operating out of the tiny house. And Frank was amazing, putting in some stepping stones. And you see they're still in there working tonight. My brother-in-law, Frank, getting up that barn door. And we have our little fire pit area that I'm gonna have to expand a little bit. But I love the direction it's going in, and I can have s'mores. And my neighbor, Mr. Benjamin, he's so wonderful. He's a godsend. He gave us this gazebo. What an awesome wedding present. And he put it together with Frank and another family friend, Kenneth, who is an amazing carpenter. And actually, he's getting ready to list his house. His house is on Beecher and Cascade. So it's right on Cascade, not far from Beecher. You will want to look out for that house. It is going to be, I guess, one of the last affordable houses in Atlanta, but it is a great bungalow to check out. Under $400,000, so hey, you could be my neighbor. And then I can watch you demo your backyard.